For the week 9 assignment, we were to create a menu-driven application that accepts user input from the console. I added a scanner system.in in order to accept user input. I declared a private list of strings, which holds a list of operations. This is the main method. This method displays the menu selections, gets a selection from the user, and then acts on the selection. If, for example, they put in the wrong selection, they're going to get selection is not a valid selection. Try again. This method gathers the user information from the project row, then calls the project service to create the row. So I also updated the project service class with the information needed to add the project. I also added a few methods that have to do with these big decimal, the integer, and the string. I added the get decimal method, the get int input, the string input for the notes, string notes. This method is the exit method. This is to terminate the app. This method is the get user selection. It prints out the available selection. This then gets the user selection from the console and converts it into an int. And this method prints each available selection on a separate line on the console. I'm going to run putting in the wrong selection. I'm going to put ABC. So it gives me an error. ABC is not a valid number. Try again. I'm going to exit. I'm going to try again and select a different selection. I'm going to put number 5. 5 is not a valid selection. Try again. Okay, exiting. I'm going to run it one more time and I'm going to put the correct information. I'm going to add project 1. Add a project. Enter the project name and a door. Estimated hours 4. Actual hours 3. Enter the project difficulty 3 and the project notes. Right, so I'm going to. So we got a connection, successfully obtained a connection. You have successfully created the project. And I'm going to exit the menu and I wanted to check in dbeaver if we've got the information, and it looks like we did.